Hey everyone, welcome to Spice of Life Kitchen. I'll be your host, Dogmatic. Today we're going to smoke some jalapeno poppers. What we're going to do is we're going to slice them in half. We're going to use some urban garlic cream cheese and some prosciutto. So what I'm going to have is I'm going to have Kahlua here, get everything all ready, cut them up, wrap them and get them ready for the smoker. We're going to put them on the smoker at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 hours. So let's get started.
So we're going to start by preparing your jalapenos. Remember, each one is going to be 2 servings. If you want to wear gloves in case you get, stuff on your fingers. Now we're just going to give them a quick wash and get them ready to fill. If you dry them off really good, it helps spread the cheese inside. You can use any cheese you want. I'm using the urban garlic. Then you take your piece of prosciutto, cut it down the middle, because one piece is going to give you 2 jalapenos. Alright, now they're ready to go on the smoker.
Okay, so now that they're all wrapped, now they don't have to be beautiful. You're just going to throw them in your mouth anyways, right? And they're not going to last very long. Now you don't have to smoke these. You can just throw them in the oven the same way, right? Instead of the smoker. But that smoky flavor just gives it that extra added goodness, I guess, if you want to call it, right? Also, you have leftover prosciutto you can eat. And what we did is we kept some of the jalapeno seeds. So we're going to grow jalapenos in Dogmatic Gardens. We'll plant those in pots when it warms up. And look, we're using everything, right? Try to use everything and no waste, as minimal waste as we can. So we're going to get this on the smoker when it hits 250 degrees, and we're going to use some apple wood chips here. So let's get it in the smoker. All right, so we're at 250 degrees here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the smoke puck, whatever you want to call it, wood chips in here. Get it ready to go. Set the timer for 2 hours. And then, just like the almonds, you got an extra rack, put it in there. So we got an extra rack.
You can do these the same time as you can even do the almonds above if you want, right? So 2 hours now, we'll come back and we'll check on it and take them off and let them cool down.
Okay, so the jalapeno poppers are done. Lost track of time. Should have put a timer on. Only supposed to be in there 2 hours, about 2 hours and 20 minutes. But good thing it's only 250 degrees in there, so it wouldn't burn. Might be a little bit overdone, but if you look at them, still good, you know. Now, if they would have got like all crunchy and crispy, like overcooked bacon, I guess that's when you'd have to debate if it's worth throwing away. But some people like that burnt as well. But just had one, and the flavor is still great. You know, it's that smoky flavor you can't get. Like people buy that liquid smoke, and I don't know. It doesn't. It's not the same. It's not the same as an actual smoker. So I definitely give these a try. You know, if you're going to smoke. Now, if you don't have a smoker, you just have a barbecue. They do sell these little containers that you can put some wood chips in. All you do is you dampen the wood chips and for like an hour or whatever, and you put it on one side of the barbecue and put your food on the other side. You don't need to buy a whole smoker on your own, right? So definitely give these a try. And if you got any questions, leave in the comment section below. We'd like to hear any of your comments. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when we post another video. We'll talk to you later.